Okay, this is going to be an update video, and this is a replacement. Focus. Anyways, right around where it connects to the pipe. The first one that I received leaked, and I'm going to give you some tips in here just to go over the sprayer. There's that. Although why is that not working now? Let's go over it one more time. There's that one. Oh, that one seems... Why is that one stuck? Look, this one... This one's not working. That one's working. This one's not... It seems the first one's not turning on correctly. Huh. That is weird. Maybe I need to clean it. I don't know. I just got it, but this is okay. This is the replacement unit that they sent for the first one that I had that was leaking on that connection. And my advice to you, a tip, is they give you the plumber's tape, or what they call it, plumber's tape. Use that. Use a lot of it. A minimum of 5 to 6 wraps. Do more if you can. And try to wrap, not towards the beginning so much, like you want to do 1 or 2, like 3 reps, but, right in the middle. You want to get a nice, tight seal. It was good of them to send me another one, but this replacement I don't know. You saw when I was trying to do the different types, the two just not working. But you gotta hand it to them. The customer service is pretty top notch. The ShowerHead itself, luckily it's on the one that I use the most, or that's the one that I like. So it's pretty good. So for the money, the ShowerHead, I think it's pretty good. If you want a little bit more pressure, there's a one of those restrictor little things. I don't know what they're called, but it's in the handle, and you can remove that if you want a little bit more pressure. To me, even with the restrictor in there, I think the pressure is good. As far as water softening, you do have a little bit of a sense that it is softening the water, but it's going to take a while. It's not going to be apparent like the first time you use it. It's going to have to go through a couple of uses, and then you do notice a difference. And if you really want more of a water softening, you would not only have that, but you can also buy like the separate filter thing that you attach there, and then voila, you would have like a super water softening thing. So, but for the most part, I like this ShowerHead. I like the way it looks. I like the stream that it has. I'll probably just need to take that off and clean it or something. This is the replacement. Maybe there's something that got in there in manufacturing. I don't know. But for the most part, I think this is a pretty good purchase, especially with the customer service being as attentive as they are. So you can buy with confidence because, they'll make sure that, you get the right thing. But my advice that I was telling you, use that plumber's tape that they give you. Or if you have the regular plumber's tape, it's a little bit different if you want to use that one, use that. But the one that they give you, use a good amount of it. So this is pretty good.
Pretty sure it's not supposed to be real. get it to stop leaking out of there.